Hey guys, so I don't know if this video is going to actually help you. I hope it does. This is something I found on Reddit where the Lennox smart thermostat wasn't connecting and they couldn't get it to work. And someone wrote it here. Look at this. I'm not HVAC tech, but as sysadmin, we often see systems refuse to communicate with other systems if the time and date are not correct or within a few minutes of being correct. Your screen shows different kind of date. And someone wrote it here, just make sure it's not the problem. Try and set the time date on the thermostat and try to reconnect. And someone wrote here is that this absolutely worked for me. Thermostat hadn't connected since June. I updated the date time and it's now connecting again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This worked. So even plenty of people just wrote here, thank you, 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 thank you. So I hope maybe this is going to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.